Hey y'all, I am back for the last time, and this is a review of some Coca-Cola Country Ribs, and this is the ribs out of the oven with the barbecue sauce smeared on, and they've been baked for an additional 20 minutes. I'm going to taste one, and we're going to see if this is a keeper. Hold on. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so tired. I'm just going to get this little small one. I'm going to taste it. And I'm going to see if it's tender and stuff like that. See what the taste tastes like. Okay. Let's see. I don't have a knife here, so let me see if it's going to come loose like we want it to. I don't know if I can do this with this phone in my hand, but we're going to try. It looks like it's trying to come on loose, even without a knife and with me doing it with one hand. So that's good. So let's taste it. That's good. I like that, y'all. I can actually taste that sweet. Not sweet, but that, I don't know how to describe it, but I can taste that Coca-Cola. Can't get it with this one hand, y'all. I'm trying to. It's not because it's tough. It's not tough. It's just hard to get it. It's a big piece of meat. Let's see if I can get me some sauce from over here. Just a little bit right there. Yeah. I think y'all are gonna like this. I don't think I can turn y'all around, and I don't want to lose y'all. So in case I lose y'all, this is my assessment of the Coca-Cola Country Ribs. They are very good. They're very good. They was very easy. Didn't take any maintenance on my part. I put them in my roaster oven. I cooked them on 250 overnight. Probably about 8 hours I did that. I turned them off before I went to church. I came home from church and I removed them from the liquid. Put them on this cookie sheet and slathered them with barbecue sauce and baked them for 20 minutes. And they covered for 20 minutes, and they are delicious, you guys. I think this is one you're gonna like. So for me, it's a thumbs up for me. Barbecue sauce, no. It's a thumbs up for me. I think y'all are gonna like this one, and I hope you will give it a try. I'm gonna try to turn y'all around, but just in case I can't turn y'all around, I will see you guys on the next one when we see what Rita's cooking. Hope you enjoyed this one. Let me see if I can turn y'all around. Nope, I can't. I'm gonna try to turn around like this. So that's in my eye, blinding me with science. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Coca-Cola Country Ribs. Hey, see what Rita's cooking. Bye, RitasEatas. RitasEatas. I love y'all for watching. See y'all next time.